What's going on, guys? I just want to preface that we're going to pick up these wheels, and I am not getting rid of my current wheels. We are just picking up these wheels because I want to see what a set of 3-piece wheels will look like on the Focus on a stock body, okay? So I'm not getting rid of my current wheels.
Little sneak peek, but that's about it till they're on the car.
Right. We're not selling these wheels at all, but we did pick up a set of 3-piece wheels for this car. Now I'm running 225s. These are 215s, but they're stretched, so they should fit similar stance. But they are a 3-piece, so they are a bit wider. So they kind of give F40 style wheel vibes, but yeah, we're not selling these, we're keeping them. These are going to be my back road set of wheels. These wheels are going to be more of my show stance cruising wheels, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna get the car pulled out, and yeah, we're gonna get to swapping. Okay, so these are the 3-piece wheels. You know, obviously there is hideous colors on these, but they are a 3-piece wheel, and they're by the same brand, GMR, as the R5s. These are just used and abused at this point. But these are the tires that came on them. Obviously, these things are used, so I need a thicker setup on these things. And they are triple chrome, which I don't know if I'm going to keep, but I mean, the hardware on this is hideous. Needs some new hardware. It does not look good against the brakes. It is so close. The lips need polishing. They definitely need work. This green is just hideous, but they are a center lock kind of style, so that's pretty cool. But these are hideous. This green is hideous. I don't know what color that is. Titanium chrome thing, I don't know, but I missed the triple chrome, and that is, yeah, kind of gives the F40 style triple chromes, but they're nice. I like them. Switch between wheels, you know, ain't nothing wrong with them. They are very close to those Brembos, and I definitely need a thicker tire. My current setup is 225/40 18 with a 92 width, and these are 215/40 1889 width. So significantly smaller, honestly, when you get them onto the car, which I'm not a huge fan of. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just picked up first set of 3 pieces for this car. Definitely need some fatter tires to fill out that gap, like I said, and new hardware all around, new center caps, and repolished. And I need to fucking finish painting everything in this fucking car. I need to finish this rear bar, and I need to fucking throw on I don't have RS calipers, but I need to paint these rear brakes. I've just been so lazy. But other than that, the car's okay done. It needs a full detail. This thing is so fucking dirty. But I do think once those things get some meat on them, the fitment will be dialed. But that's the next video. I'll go ahead, get some tires ordered up, get rid of these stretched bullshits, because I cannot do anything on the stretched. And yeah, once I get that on, get the new hardware, polish them out, and we should be good. Let me know what you guys think of them.